Hello and welcome to another episode of latest update. The topic of discussion is reduction in LWE affected district. Union Home Minister Amit Shah announced that the number of districts most affected by left-wing extremism or Naxalism has dropped from 12 to 6. This marks a significant milestone in the ongoing efforts to eliminate Naxalism in India, with a firm commitment to achieve a Naxalism-free India by March 2026. The reduction reflects the Modi government's relentless focus on combating Naxalism and fostering development across affected regions. The announcement comes as part of the government's broader initiative to strengthen the nation's security and development. Drishti IAS Noida Center, the offline batches admissions are open for IAS GS Foundation course covering both prelims and mains. The English medium batch is starting from 8th of April, while admissions are open for the Hindi medium batch. For more information, give us the call at 87501 87501. Affected districts and reductions made. The number of districts most affected by Naxalism has been reduced from 12 to 6. The 6 districts now include 4 from Chhattisgarh, Bijapur, Kanker, Narayanpur and Sukhma, 1 from Jharkhand, West Singhbhum, 1 from Maharashtra, Gadchiroli. Additionally, the number of districts of concern has reduced from 9 to 6. These districts require additional resources and attention. Andhra Pradesh, Aluri Sitaram Raju, Madhya Pradesh, Balaghat, Odisha, Kalahandi, Kandhamal and Malkangiri, Telangana, Bhadradri, Kothagodam. The number of other LWE affected districts where Naxal activity is less intense has also dropped from 17 to 6. These districts include Chhattisgarh, Dantewada, Garibaband and Mohla, Manpur, Ambagarh, Chauki, Jharkhand, Latehar, Odisha, Nuapada, Telangana, Mulugu. What does this mean? The reduction in affected districts demonstrates significant progress in India's ongoing battle against Naxalism. With a clear roadmap aiming for complete eradication by March 2026, the government's focused approach combines both security measures and development initiatives. The decline in the number of districts severely impacted by Naxalism highlights the effectiveness of the strategies implemented in combating this insurgency and fostering growth in affected regions. The government's financial and infrastructural support continues to aid these regions' recovery, ensuring better governance and security. Now it's time for the practice question. Which state has the highest number of districts most affected by Naxalism? Maharashtra, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh or Odisha? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.